When most people come into trading, they often get confused at a simple bridge, which is deciding whether they should trade crypto or they should trade Forex. Now, this confusion is actually understandable, mostly as a total beginner. But a big mistake a lot of beginners make is that what they did not do what you are doing right now, which is actually researching to know which of them is best for you to actually trade. So they end up either trading both and then quitting, losing a lot of money, and they're quitting within 3 2 months period, and they're calling everything a scam. Or they trade one of them, and after a long while of losing money, they also end up quitting as well. Why? Because they didn't actually learn about the background of either of them before getting started. But luckily for you, you are not going through that stress, because in this video I'm actually going to share with you my own personal experience of trading both crypto and Forex. Yes, I have personally traded both crypto and Forex, and I've made money from both, and I've lost money to both as well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my own personal experience on this industry, so you can pick one that actually suits you based on my experience. Now, before we go down to comparing between crypto and Forex, which of them you should actually trade, first of all, let's try to understand what exactly is Forex trading and what exactly is crypto trading. Now, Forex trading on one hand is actually the process of you trading two different currencies. So now let me give you a real life situation. Let me say you live in the United States and then you travel down to the UK. Obviously, in the United States, you spend the US dollar, which means that what? If you are coming down to the UK, the only currency you have on you is obviously the United States dollar. Now, you see, when you arrive in the UK, you can't spend your US dollar anymore. So what are you going to do? You are going to trade your US dollar for the British pounds. So you see the process of you actually trading your US dollar for British pounds is what is known as Forex trading, which basically stands for what? Foreign exchange, which means you are exchanging a foreign currency in a foreign country. That's basically all it means. Now, the difference between you who is trading it in real life and we that trade it in the market is that what? For we traders, we trade it at a bigger scale, and we get to make profit from the movement difference in the market. So now, on the other hand, we have crypto. Now, when we talk of crypto, we are talking of currencies like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and then this other mini meme coins and then cryptocurrencies. And this one actually runs on a blockchain technology which is decentralized and it never goes off. So unlike the Forex, that is a real-time currency exchange, where with Bitcoin you actually do every single thing over the blockchain. That's where every single transaction actually goes on, and the crypto market is actually open 24/7. Now, talking of the 5 main difference between crypto and Forex trading, let's talk about one of the most important things, which is volatility. Now, for those of you who don't know what volatility means, it's actually the rate at which each of these currencies actually move, like the rate at which each of this market actually moves. Now, talking of volatility, over here, Bitcoin can literally move 10, 20, up to 30% in a single day, which in actual sense actually means that what? More opportunity to make more profit, and also at the same time more opportunity for you to generate losses as well. So if you're a beginner getting started, one thing you need to know is simply the crypto market actually moves really fast, so it actually gives you the room to make more profit faster and at the same time also make more losses, which is also very fast as well. Now, unlike the Forex market, whereby a pair like Euro USD or GBP USD can move between 0.5% to a maximum of 2% per day. Now, you see that what? Both of them moves, but then crypto actually moves way faster. Crypto can move up to 10, 30, even more, up to 50% in a single day. It has happened before. We all actually witnessed Bitcoin fall from $120 something thousand to about $90 or $80,000 within a 24-hour period. Now, these things rarely happens in the Forex market. So basically, when we are talking of volatility, the crypto market moves very fast than the Forex market. So if I'm to advise you as a beginner to get started, I would say go with the Forex market. And the reason why I would advise to go with the Forex market is simple. The Forex market moves in a steady manner that is very much predictable for a total beginner, because it's more stable and you can easily predict the next movement as a beginner, unlike the Forex market that can just spike up and down. So if you're a total beginner on this channel here, since I believe that you're a beginner watching this video, I would say Forex actually win here in terms of volatility. Forex is going to move steady and slow. It might not give you huge profit on start, but the truth is that what is more easier for you to predict as a beginner as compared to the crypto market. Now, the difference number 2 is basically trading hours. When it comes to the trading hours, I would say Forex actually gives you 5 days in the week to trade, from Monday to Friday, because it works with the bank hours, and it also gives you different sessions. Like the Forex session is literally, the Forex market is actually broken into multiple sections. So it's either you trade one session or you decide to trade all of the session. It's totally up to you. But at the end of the day, you have 24 hours in a single day to trade Forex on a scale of Monday to Friday. So you can trade from Monday to Friday, 24 hours every single day. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to crypto, you can actually trade crypto from Sunday to Sunday, which means that what there is no time off, and the crypto market also is not broken into section. Now, when we talk of session, when it comes to the Forex market, some pairs are very slow in some session and some pairs are very fast in other sessions. Unlike the crypto market, whereby there are no sectional control in the market, like during any session, the market can go up and down. That's why the crypto market often, I would say, it doesn't have a trading section. So if you are someone who wants to trade every single day, well, you can go with crypto because you have Monday to Monday to actually trade it. There's no one preventing you from trading it, and you can trade it from morning to morning. Nobody really cares. But if you are someone who needs something within a fixed working hours, then I advise you go with Forex trading. With Forex trading, you can decide out, okay, I'm going to trade 3 days a week, and within these 3 days in a week, I want to trade only the London session, only the New York session, and only the Sydney session. Now, when it comes to Forex, this is an advantage that Forex has. Each of the session actually profit a certain set of traders. There are traders whereby they prefer trading the London session because they find more profit in that session, and there are traders whereby they prefer trading the North American session, which is the New York session, because they find more profit during that session. Now, unlike you crypto traders, you can't actually decide which session actually favors you the most because your market is very random and moves randomly with fundamental details. So at the end of the day, if you, in terms of trading hours, I'll give it to crypto. So crypto gives you more room to actually trade whenever you want, anyhow you want. Now down to the difference number 3. Now this is a very important difference, which is starting capital. So when we talk about starting capital with crypto, I think crypto actually win here. With crypto, all you need to do is simply download an exchange, either Binance, Bybit, OKS, Megs, any of them that you actually want, and then you can deposit as low as $10 and then buy up some random coins and then start trading with it. As simple as that. Now, when it comes to crypto, you can actually start trading with any single amount, be $10. And now it's even easier with the help of this rug pull that people are doing. You can go on to places like all these Dex, Screener, and Co. And then you can just deposit $10. If you are lucky, you can just flip that $10 to something. But I don't really advise this. So when it comes to in terms of trading capital, I would say crypto actually makes it easier for you to actually start. No heavy documentation and information required. With just $10, you can get started. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to Forex, now with Forex, you can't really do any single thing reasonable with a deposit of $10. I'm just being honest with you. If you deposit $10 into the Forex market, the chance of you doing any single thing reasonable is 0. Because most brokers won't even allow you to deposit $10 in the first place. So when we talk about the starting capital, I would say crypto actually wins here, because when it comes to crypto, you just look for an exchange, you create an account, deposit your $10, you can start doing something small, and you might even flip it to a decent amount in no time. But when it comes over to Forex, you can't really do that, because with Forex you need to look for a broker. Like for example, now I trade with Light Finance Broker, which is the best broker I would say when it comes to Forex trading. Now I've been trading with them. They have over 3.6 million active traders. So in case you want to get into the Forex aspect and look for a reliable broker to trade with, I would advise you actually trade with Light Finance. Now, the reason why I advise Light Finance is that whilst other brokers actually require you to deposit $100 plus before you start making any reasonable trade or start making any decent profit, well, with Light Finance, you can actually deposit as low as $10. Yes, you heard me right. With just $10 deposit, you can actually copy other profitable traders. So if you are watching this video, it means you probably don't know how to trade yet. So with Light Finance, you can copy other profitable traders and then start making profit off their trades. And if they make losses, you will also make losses as well. But if they make profit, you also make profit. That's why Light Finance don't just let you copy these people, but they first of all show you these people analytics over time, how they've performed over time in recent time, so you know that you are making the right decision whenever you pick anybody to copy their trade. So another thing here is simply, when it comes to this option, I would say it's very easy for you to turn a little amount of money into something reasonable in the crypto market as compared to the Forex market. So I'll give this particular session to crypto as well. So which means crypto is leading Forex 2 goals to 1. Now, the difference number 4 is simply the regulations, which is very important. When we talk of regulation, you know what we mean. One of the market is being monitored and can't be manipulated easily. It doesn't mean it's not manipulatable, whilst the other one is very open to manipulation. And this actually brings a big comma to the crypto side as well. So when we talk of regulations, now crypto is not regulated, And the reason is simple. Crypto doesn't have a central bank. It's not tied to any particular country, which means that what any single person can manipulate whatsoever thing that happens in the crypto market. And this actually makes crypto a little bit unsafe for inexperienced traders. So if you're a trader and you really lack experience, then crypto will not really be a great option for you because it's not regulated. Anybody can come and manipulate it easily with any simple thing. Now, on the other hand, let's talk of Forex trading, which is the one people often wear the white coat on. Now, Forex trading, on the other hand, is fully regulated. Why? Because Forex trading deals with currencies, and currencies are tied to countries' economy, which is not easily manipulatable, even though a simple tweet from Donald Trump can actually ruin the whole Forex market as we speak. So going back on this, I would say if you look for something that is a bit more fixed, I'm not going to say 100% fixed because it's not 100% regulated as it used to be. So I would say if I look for something a bit more fixed and stable, then I would say Forex would be the great option for you. Unlike crypto that people are doing rug pulls up and down, doing all sort of trash in the market right now. So crypto is not really great for a beginner getting started in terms of regulation. So I would say Forex win this session because the Forex market is actively monitored, not 100%, but then it's also still monitored as compared to the crypto market. So this makes it a 2-2 tie. Now, the fifth point here is basically the profit potentials in the crypto and Forex market. Now, we'll talk of profit potential in the crypto and Forex market. I would say the crypto market actually takes the award here. And the reason is simple. We've had so many overnight millionaires coming from the crypto market as compared to the Forex market. Like the crypto market, I would say, is that place whereby that makes overnight millionaires. You can have just a $500 or $1,000 in your crypto wallet today, holding some random coins, and you wake up tomorrow to seeing thousands, if not millions of dollars sitting in your account. So when it comes to the profit potential, I would say it's more easier to have access to more profit in the crypto market than the Forex market. But then the Forex market don't give you overnight sources just like that, but it gives you a steady return if you are a good trader. You see the condition here? In the Forex market, number one, you need to be a good trader in order for you to be able to build a steady return. And when we're talking of a steady return, now forget about all those flashy Forex videos you see on the internet at $100 to $30,000, $100 to $50,000. It's not really true. Most of them are self-made brokers that they manipulate the data to actually show you those results. So when it comes to crypto, the Forex market, on a monthly basis, you should be looking at 5 to 10% profit. If you're able to close 5 to 10% profit in the Forex market, that means you are a good trader. So when it comes to the Forex market, the more capital you have, the better it is for you. So for you to be able to amass a huge profit potential in the Forex market, they really need a good amount of capital. Unlike the crypto market, that would just say $100, $500, $1,000, you can just become an overnight millionaire. The crypto market has done it over and over again for us to witness. So now, guys, this is the 5 main difference between these particular sessions. And I would say crypto wins so far for the 5 main difference. Profit potential is higher on the crypto side. Trading hours is higher. Volatility is higher. So I would say crypto actually wins this debate. Now, we move over to the final session where we actually decide which of them you actually trade with and which of them you shouldn't trade if you are a total beginner. So now, with this difference stated, we are down to the big question again. Which one should you actually start with? Okay, so here is my honest opinion on which of them you should actually start with. If you have less than $200 to actually get started with, our advice to actually start with crypto trading. Crypto will give you more room to make more profit. But here is my advice. Do not, I repeat, do not go and trade altcoins, meme coins, and all those trash coins trying to multiply your money overnight. Don't do that. Our advice to trade already steady coins like probably BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Our advice to trade all these major coins that are already moving on a steady base instead of all these overnight blow and dump sort of coins. So that would be my first advice to you. Simply, if you have less than $200, go into the crypto trading aspect, but make sure that trade it with caution, and then don't go and look for overnight millions. Now, if you have $500 and above, on the other hand, our advice to go into Forex trading. Yes, because with that $500, you will actually get to build real skills as well in the forex market. So I advise to go with forex trade if you have $500 and above to actually start trading. So in order for you to get started, first of all, you need to pick a regulated broker like Light Finance. Now, once you pick Light Finance, I will not advise to just deposit your $500 right away. First of all, get on a demo account. If you've launched a trading strategy, make sure to test it on the demo account to see how you are performing. Now, if you are performing well, then you can deposit your $500. And I also advise to make sure that what you trade it gradually as a total beginner. Now, in case you don't have a trading strategy, just comment trading strategy that in this video comment section, and I'm actually going to respond to it to a link to an easy trading strategy that you can actually get started with as a total beginner. Now, for my final verdict, if you want to do both, please do not do both at the same time. Now, let me make this clear. If you think that, okay, you can trade crypto, you can trade forex, but I'll still advise you don't trade both of them at the same time when you are getting started. Later on, when you get experience, it's very much okay for you to port over there. But now that you don't have any experience yet, I'll advise you just pick one of them and take about 6 months to a year to actually trade that particular market. And if you are consistently profitable, then you can look into coming over to the other. Do not trade both of them at the same time. You will never progress. I repeat, you will never progress if you do both of them.